Good morning students. What we have learned in the previous class? In the previous class we learned different types of animals. So different types of animals are living in different living habitats, and then some animals are live on land, so that animals are called the terrestrial animals, and some other live on trees, so that animals are called arboreal animals. Some animals are live in water, so that type of animals are called aquatic animals. And again we learn the useful of animals, so we get many things from animals. So today we are going to learn one interesting topic, very small animals. So we learn. So what is that small animal? Insects. Okay. So today we are going to learn insects lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn only one subheadings, that is that insects in our surroundings. So insects are small living creatures. Small living creatures with 6 legs. With 6 legs. Okay, so insects are a very small living organism. So living animal, this is also one of the animal. So it's small living creatures with the 6 legs. Most of the insects have 6 legs. Okay, and then we see some common insects are such as that butterfly, grasshopper, beetle, bug, dragonfly, and then cockroach and honeybee, mosquito. So these insects are commonly found in our surroundings. Okay, so mosquitoes also one of the insect, honeybee is one of the insect, cockroach is one of the insect, housefly is one of the insect. Do you know dragonfly? Tattapuchi solrolama, tattambuchi. So that is a dragonfly. So these also one of the insects. So now let us learn some important characteristics of insect. Okay, insects order some characteristics now we learn. The characteristics of insects, that insects body is divided into 3 parts. Okay, and insects body has divided into 3 parts. One is the head, another one is the thorax, another one is the abdomen. So an insect's body is divided into 3 parts. Divided into 3 parts. 3 parts. One is head, another one is thorax, another one is abdomen. Okay, so that an insect's body is divided into 3 parts. One is a head, thorax, and then abdomen. That head is the uppermost part of an insect's body. Okay, and the head is the uppermost part of an insect's body. So this is a head. So that insect body is divided into 3 parts. One is the head, this is the head, and then this one is the thorax, and then this part is an abdomen. Okay, so the head has a pair of eyes. Okay, pair means 2. The head has a pair of eyes and a mouth and feelers or antennae. A pair of feelers or antennae. Okay, so head, first we learn the head. The head is the uppermost part of an insect. A pair of eyes, pair means 2. A pair of eyes and then a mouth and then a pair of feelers are present in insect and insect's head. The feelers help find things. Okay, the feelers help the insect find things and then search for food. So on the feelers தான் என்ன பண்ண எங்கெல்லாம் food இருக்குங்கற search பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. Then once again I explain. First we learn head. Okay, the uppermost part of an insect is the head. That head has a pair of eyes. Okay, head has a pair of eyes and a mouth and a pair of feelers. Okay, so the feelers help find things and then search for food. The feelers தான் என்ன செய்யணும் எங்கெல்லாம் food இருக்குங்கறத search பண்றதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. And then next one is that head is the uppermost part of an insect's body. Okay, uppermost part of an insect's body. Insect's body. And then The head has pair of eyes, a mouth, and a pair of feelers. And a pair of feelers. So the feelers help the insects, the things, find the things. Okay, so the feelers sort of helps in. So this is a feeler. Okay, the feelers help the find the things and search for food. Feelers help find things and search for food. And then next one is the okay, so and the next part is the thorax. Okay, below the head the thorax is present. Okay, so below the head thorax, the head ku keela thorax irukku, and then the legs and wings are attached to the thorax. Okay, so the head and the wings and legs are attached to this part. So this is the thorax. So the middle part of an insect is the thorax. Okay, the middle part of the insect is the thorax, and then the wings and legs are present in the spot. Okay, so that most of the insects have 6 legs. Okay ma, 1 2 3, so this is the 6 legs. So the thorax is the below the head, thorax is present. Thorax is in this area is legs and wings are attached, and then some insects such as cockroach and butterflies have 2 pairs of wings. Okay, 2 pairs of wings. Pair means 2, so 2 pairs of 4 wings. And then some other insects such as beetle, lice and fleas do not have wings. So some insects ki wings illa, and some other insects have 2 pairs of wings, and some insects have one pair of wing. So once again the thorax is the middle of the insect's body, and then the legs and wings are attached to the thorax, and then some insects such as cockroach and butterflies have 2 pairs of wings, and some other insects such as lice and fleas do not have wings. Thorax is the middle part of an insect's body. Middle part of an insect's body. Insect's body, and then the legs and wings are attached to the thorax. The legs and wings are attached to the thorax. Attached to the thorax, and then some insects such as cockroach and butterflies have a pair of wings. Sorry, have 2 pairs of wings. Pairs of wings, and then some other insects. Some other insects such as lice, okay, and fleas do not have wings. So இந்த மாதிரி insectsக்கு wings இல்ல. Do not have wings. And then next we learn abdomen. Okay, so below the thorax abdomen is present. Okay, so next part is an abdomen. Abdomen is the largest part of an insect's body. Okay, the abdomen is the largest part of an insect's body. It protects some insects such as that cockroach and beetle. Ladybug and cockroach have a hard covering. Okay, so that is protected abdomen, that protected the soft bodies. Okay, the insect or soft body, that hard covering is protect the soft bodies. Okay, so next part is an abdomen. Below the thorax is the abdomen. Below the thorax is the abdomen. It abdomen. Some insects such as cockroach, and then ladybird, such as cockroaches and then ladybirds. Cockroaches and ladybirds suck neck. Ladybirds have hard covering. Hard coverings. They protect their soft bodies. Okay, and then another one point, it is the largest part of an insect's body. Okay, so that abdomen is the largest part of an insect's body. Okay, ma'am, so once again I explained the parts of an insect. First we learn that the insects are a small living creatures with small 6 legs, and then an insect's body is divided into 3 parts. One is the head, thorax and abdomen. So head is the uppermost part of an insect's body. The head has a pair of eyes, a mouth and a pair of feelers or antennae are present. And then next one is the thorax. Thorax is the middle part of an insect's body. The legs and wings are attached to the thorax. And then some insects such as cockroaches and butterflies have 2 pairs of wings. And then some other insects such as lice and fleas do not have wings. And the next part of them, below the thorax is the abdomen. Okay, below the thorax is the abdomen. Some insects such as cockroaches and ladybirds have hard coverings that protect their soft bodies. And then some commonly found insects are cockroach, butterfly, housefly, honeybee, dragonfly, and then beetle, lice, and then wasp. So these are all the commonly commonly found insects in our surroundings. Okay, let us mark that insect's body. Okay, let us mark the insect's body. Now tell all of you. So this is what? This is an feelers or antennae. Okay, feelers or antennae. Okay, and then next one is what? That this is an eyes, and then this part is an thorax, and then this is legs, and then this one is wings, and then this part is an abdomen. So this is a parts of an insect: feelers or antennae, eyes, head, thorax, legs, wings, abdomen. Okay, so this is the parts of an insect's body. And then next we learn insects eggs. Okay, next we learn insects eggs. Next we learn insects eggs. Insects egg. Insects egg. Almost all insects lay eggs. Okay, and then the new insects are born from these eggs. The color, shape and size of eggs vary in different insects. For example, cockroach eggs are different from dragonfly insects. Okay, so that color, shape and size or size of eggs are vary in different insects. And then insects lay eggs on that upper and lower surface of the leaves, and then hence that eggs are attached and they do not fall off the leaves. Once வந்து ஒரு egg வந்து ஒரு leafல ஏதோ leafோட upper partலயோ lower partலயோ lay பண்ணிருச்சுனா so அது வந்து sticky, அதனால paste ஆயிக்கும், கீழே விழவே செய்யாது. So and these they fall off their leaves, and the leaves வந்து விழாது. And then mosquitoes lays eggs on the surface of water. Mosquitoes, where do mosquitoes lay the eggs? Mosquitoes lay the eggs on the surface of water. Almost all insects lay eggs. Lay eggs. And then new insects. Okay, so new insects born from these insects. New insects born from these eggs. From these eggs. And then the color, shape and size, and the size of eggs vary in different insects. So different insects, different insects, oda size, egg oda size, color, shape, so everything is different in one another. Okay, eggs vary in different insects. Some insects lay eggs on, okay, some insects lay eggs on the leaf, that upper and lower surface of leaf oda upper layer, lower layer, so eggs lay pannu. So once lays the egg, that eggs are sticky, they do not fall off their leaves. Some insects lay eggs on the Some insects lays eggs on the upper and lower surface of leaves. Lower surface of leaves. Since the eggs are attached sticky, eggs are sticky, taste nalla sticky, nalla alaga pidichittu irukum. Okay, sticky, since the eggs are sticky, they do not fall off the leaves. Fall off the leaves. They do not fall off the leaves. And then that mosquito lays eggs on the surface of water. surface of water. Okay, so a mosquito lays eggs on the surface of water. So நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், that rainy time we don't save that rain water or excess of water, so remove everything. So because of that, mosquitoes lays eggs on the water. Okay ma, and then so these are the eggs. So once again, almost all insects lay eggs. New insects born from these eggs, and then the color, shape and size of insects vary. Okay, vary size of eggs vary in different insects, and then some insects lay eggs on the upper and lower surface of leaves. நம்மளே பார்த்திருக்கலாம், sometimes பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த leavesல வந்து dot dot இருக்கும். So that is the insect egg. And then since the eggs are sticky, so they do not fall off the leaves, and mosquito lays eggs on the surface of water. And then next we learn how insects are useful to us. How insects are useful to us. How insects are useful to us. Okay, how insects are useful to us. Honeybees suck nectar from flowers. Okay, nectar is one of the sweet liquid found in flowers. So honeybees collect nectar from flowers, and then that nectar they make honey and bee wax. Okay, so honeybee makes collect nectar from flowers, they make honey and bee wax. Okay, honey is used as a sweet food product. So honey is given so many medicinal properties, medicinal value, and then bee wax is used as a polish for wood and leather. The bee wax வச்சு polish பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, and then making for candles. Okay, and then next one is then dragonfly. Do you know dragonfly? So this is a dragonfly. தட்டாம்பூச்சி சொல்றோம்லமா, so that is a dragonfly. So the dragonfly feeds on mosquito. Dragonfly எதை சாப்பிடுறான், மஸ்கிட்டோவை சாப்பிடுதான். So dragonfly feeds on mosquito is a control, it helps to control the diseases such as malaria, dengue, chikungunya, typhoid. So these diseases are coming from mosquitoes. Mosquitoes la namakku varudhu இந்த diseases la. So the dragonfly feed on mosquito, they help to control some diseases. So automatically mosquito இது வந்து reduce ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா the diseases ல இருந்து நமக்கு அந்த disease ஓட amount நமக்கு reduce ஆயிடும். ஓகேயா, and then next one is a ladybug. Ladybug feed on insects that destroy plants. Okay, so some insects or destroy the plants. நிறைய பிளான்ட்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய இந்த caterpillar like some wormsலாம் என்ன செய்யும், that leaves எல்லாம் அழிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கும், கடிச்சு ஓட்டையா போட்டு வைக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இன்செக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம், ஸோ த லேடிபக்ஸ் ஃபீடு அது சாப்பிட்றது. ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம கிராப்ஸு பிளான்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி கிடைக்கும், ஸோ we can get a good food ப்ராடக்டாக நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். அண்ட் some spinach, leafy vegetablesலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா so many dots-ஆக இருக்கும். ஸோ that is make a insects, that the insects are destroy the plant, destroy the crop. So the ladybug feed on that insects, so we can get a good food product. And then next one is lac insect. So that also one of the insect. Lac insects agreed lac, so which is used for making ornaments, the ornamental items, நல்ல beautiful and வீட்டுக்கு ஷோகேஸ்ல வைக்கிறது நம்மளோட jewelries. So இதெல்லாமே the lac யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Okay, used for ornaments. And then chemical dyes, நிறைய coloring agent ஆவும் that lac insect வந்து அந்த secret lac வந்து யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Okay, so many insects are very helpful to us. Now learn honeybees. First we learn honeybees. Honeybees suck nectar from flowers. Honeybees suck nectar from flowers. They make honey and what? Bee wax. Bee wax. So honey is used as a sweet food product. Honey is have so many medicinal value that is cure for cough வந்து cure ஆகிறதுக்கு honey யூஸ் ஆகுது. So many medicinal properties. Honey is used as honey is used as a sweet food product. Sweet food product, and then that bee wax is used as a bee wax. Bee wax is used as bee wax is used as polish for leather and wood, and making for candles. Okay, the bee wax is used for making candles. And then used for candles. Next, another one is a dragonfly. Dragonfly feeds on mosquitoes. Dragonfly feeds on mosquitoes that help control such as the diseases such as malaria or chikungunya. Malaria and dengue. Okay, and then ladybirds feed on insects control. Ladybirds feed on insects, destroy plants. Some insects are destroying plants, so that ladybirds feed on that type of insects, destroy plants. And the next one is a lac insect. Next one is a lac insects. Lac insects secrete lac, which is used for making ornaments and then chemical dyes. Making ornaments dyes. So this is the insects are helpful, useful to us. So many insects are very useful to us. First one is the honeybee. Honeybee suck nectar from flowers. They make honey and bee wax. So honey is used as a sweet food product. So is used as so many diseases also. So cough, cold. So that honey is used as these diseases. And then bee wax is used as a polish for leather and wood. Okay, and then making for candles. Okay, bee wax is used for making candles. And then dragonfly feeds on mosquito. Okay, mosquito ஓட வேல்யூ அமௌண்ட் வந்து குறைஞ்சிருச்சு, ரெடியூஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுனாலே ஸோ சில டிசீசஸ்லேருந்து நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ரிலீஃப் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ dragonfly feeds on mosquitoes that help control diseases such as malaria and dengue. And ladybirds feed on insects, destroy plants. Some insects or destroy plants, so the ladybirds feed on insects, destroy plants. And then next one is a lac insect. Lac insect secrete lac, which is used for making ornaments and then ornaments and then chemical dyes. Okay, I hope all of you understood this video very well, students. Thank you.